Hi, I'm Vinda. Here is our factory, Zibo Yinshuan Carbon Technology. Our company has been engaged in production, machining, application, and service of graphite material and graphite parts since 2008. Today, my friend Shafi will come to our factory. He studied in Shandong University of Technology. He wants to know more about the graphite material outside the campus. He's coming. Shafi, how much do you know about the graphite material?
Normally, I know there are divided into four types graphite materials. First, extruded graphite materials. Second, vibrated graphite materials. Third, molded graphite materials. Fourth, isostatic graphite materials. But I don't know their difference.
Well, you know much beyond my expecting. You know the four types of graphite material is divided on basis of their raw material types and the production procedure. Follow me, I will show you these different types of graphite material in our stock. This is the extruded graphite material. We have grade ice like YXJY1, YXJY2. Shafi, here is vibrated graphite blocks. We have grades like YXB1, YXL1, YXS0, etc. This is molded graphite material. These are our grades MY1, MY2, MY3, MY4. There is isostatic graphite material. This is the isostatic graphite material. We have more than 10 grades for different applications. For example, this grade YXDGYQ is the most popular, and they are used the application for EDM. Do you know EDM?
So sorry, I don't know about EDM.
EDM is a process that duplicating electrodes on workpiece under the high temperature, which produced by direct electric discharge between workpiece and electrodes according to shape and accuracy of electrodes. It has strict requirements to graphite material, especially fine grain size, isostatic and stable properties. We apply special grades of high quality isostatic graphite material to machine graphite electrode for EDM. Did you understand the EDM?
Yes, I did. I understood about EDM.
Usually, it's difficult to distinguish different types of material only by eyes. In order to ensure our quality for our customers, we take samples from graphite blocks and rods to take into our own laboratory for inspection. Before sending out from our factory, let's go and have a look at our laboratory.
Okay, let's go.
Here is our graphite material inspection laboratory.
This is instrument for inspection of graphite block specific resistivity. This is for testing flexural strength, compressive strength. And this is instrument for inspection of shore hardness. These two furnaces are for inspection of ash content and graphite material anti-oxidation performance.
How about your feeling today?
Actually, it was a great time. As far as I know, your company is very professional. Thank you so much.
If you need any graphite blocks, please contact us for the third list of graphite block available for immediate shipment. See you next time.